Hello, bachcho. Welcome to our YouTube channel, MBI Nights. So, as earlier we have done some questions of exercise 5.1. So, let's start this class with next questions. So, let's see our questions. So here is the question. Next question. Which of the following are APs? So in this question, we need to first find out whether the given progression is AP or not. And if it is AP, then we need to find common difference represented by D as well as write three more terms after these terms. Correct? So let's start. So see, जैसा मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, what is the first term here? Here given a is equals to what? 2. Let's find out. Say this is a1. A1 means first term. And what is the second term? Say a2 is equals to 4. Say a3 is equals to 8 and say A4 is equals to 16. This is the common representation of the terms. A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term, and A4 means fourth term. So how can we find out common difference? So our D will be what? So D will be what? First, you need to find A2 minus A1. What will be A2 minus 1? First find, don't write D. First find out A2 minus A1. First, we need to find out whether this is AP or not. So here, A2 minus A1 will be what? 4 minus 2. So that will be 2. Now we will find A3 minus A2. This is what? This is the difference of next term to that's preceding term. Correct? So A3 minus A2 will be what? 8 minus 4 and 8 minus 4 will be what? 4. Correct? A4 minus A3 will be what? 16 minus 8 will be 8. So as you can see here, A2 minus A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, and this is also not equal to A4 minus A3. So the given progression, so so the given progression progression is not an A. So this is how you will write. अगर ये AP होता then we need to find out next three more terms, correct, as it is in our question. So I hope you'll understand this one. So let's try the next one. So here is the question. What you need to do first, you should pause here. Try to solve this one by your own. If you are not able to solve, then you can see this video and I will tell how can you find out whether this is AP or not, and if this is AP, how will you find out next more three terms. So let's start. So here A1 is equals to what? 2. A2 is equals to 5 upon 2. A3 is equals to 3 and A4 is equals to 7 upon 2. So what will you do? First you need to do A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 5 by 2 minus 2. What will you get? 5 minus 4 will be 1 by 2. Correct. How will you find out A3 minus A2? That will be 3 minus 5 by 2. So 2 threes are 6. 6 minus 5 will be 1 by 2. And in the same manner, you can find out A4 minus A3. What will you get? 7 upon 2 minus 3. What will you get? 7 minus 6 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. So here you can see, what will you see? Hmm? So here you can see A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. So the given progression is, so the given progression is an AP. So if this is an AP, you need to find more three terms. So how will you find? Let's see. So that means this is what? This you can write as D. D means common difference. So first, second, third, fourth. We need to find out fifth term. So A5 will be what? A4 plus D. What is A4 here? A4 is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, then plus D. Plus 1 upon 2. What will you get? 7 plus 8. 8 upon 2, or you can write this will equals to 4. Now, A6. What will be A6? A5 plus D. What is A5 here? A5 is, you can write 4. 4 plus 1 by 2, or you can say 8 plus 1. That is 9 by 2. Now, what is A7 here? A7 will be A6 plus 8. And what is A6 here? 9 upon 2 plus 1 by 2. So that will be 10 by 2, or you can write it as 5. So these are our next three terms, which are next three terms. Three terms. Correct. So, if this is an AP, you need to find out three more terms as asked in the question. So, here are our three more terms. तो पहले आप क्या करोगे? वॉट एवर इज गिवन टू यू, यू कैन राइट A1, A2, A3, A4. उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे? हर नेक्स्ट टर्म से आप प्रीसीडिंग टर्म सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाओगे. आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. इन दिस मैनर यू कैन फाइंड आउट योर डी इफ ऑल थ्री आर इक्वल. अगर इक्वल है तो द गिवन प्रोग्रेशन इज एन एपी. और अगर वो एपी है तो हमको नेक्स्ट टर्म निकालने हैं. तो नेक्स्ट टर्म क्या होगा? जो भी आपने कॉमन डिफरेंस निकाल रखा है, आप उसको जो लास्ट टर्म है उसमें ऐड कर दो और उसकी नंबरिंग कर दो. A5, A6, A7. इन दिस मैनर यू कैन फाइंड आउट नेक्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चलो, दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस बाय योर ओन. So you can pause the video and you can try by your own. So here you can write A1 is equals to what? Minus 1 decimal 2. A2 is what? Minus 3 decimal 2. A3 is what? Minus 5 decimal 2. And A4 is what? Minus 7 decimal 2. So first what you need to do? First you need to find out this A2 minus A1. So let's do A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means minus 3 decimal 2 minus, then minus 1 decimal 2. What will you get? Minus 3 decimal 2 plus 1 decimal 2. That means you need to subtract both of them. So what will you get? Decimal here, 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 will be 2. So with minus sign, or you can write here 2. Now A3 minus A2. How will you do this? A3 minus A2. Minus 5 decimal 2 minus, and here you can write minus 3 decimal 2. That means this will become plus. So minus 5 decimal 2 plus 3 decimal 2. What will you get? 2 minus 2 will be 0 and 5 minus 3 will be 2 with negative sign. Here negative. So that means minus 2. In the same manner, you can find out A4 minus A3. So what you can write? Minus 7 decimal 2 minus 7 decimal 2 and then minus here minus 5 decimal 2, or you can write or you can write here minus 7 decimal 2 plus 5 decimal 2. So from here you can write what? Again minus 2 decimal 0, or you can write minus 2. So here you can see A2 minus A1 is minus 2, A3 minus A2 is also minus 2, and A4 minus A3 is also minus 2. So what can you write from there? You can write that the given progression is, first you write since A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. So the given progression is, the given progression is an AP. So if this is an AP, what you need to do? You need to find out more three terms. How can you find out? Let's see. So here D is equals to what? D is equals to minus 2. So now A5 will be what? Try to solve by your own. Plus D. A4 is what? Minus 7 decimal 2 and plus minus 2. So what will you get? Minus 9 by 2, minus 9 decimal 2. Now next, A6. Now A5 plus D. Minus 9 by minus 9 decimal 2 plus minus 2. Again, you can write 9, 10, 11 minus 11 decimal 2. And similarly, A7 will be what? A6 plus D. And that will be minus 11 decimal 2 plus minus 2. What will you get? Minus 13 decimal 2. So these are our next three terms. Which are our next three terms? Which are our next three terms. So in this manner you can find out. So है ना easy. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? बस क्वेश्चंस लेने हैं, उनकी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. देखिए, फर्स्ट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतनी ज्यादा मैथ्स आपको आएगी. से आई एम नॉट जोकिंग एट ऑल. जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतनी ज्यादा आपको मैथ्स आएगी. और हाँ, एक चीज और, मैथ्स विदाउट पेन पेपर इफ यू आर थिंकिंग यू विल बी एबल टू डू, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. जस्ट टेक योर कॉपी और नोटबुक, टेक योर पेन एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व. जैसे जैसे आप सॉल्व करते जाओगे इट विल बिकम मोर इजियर फॉर यू. सो लेट्स सी. चलो, सबसे पहले आप ट्राई करो. नहीं आएगा तो मैं बताऊंगी, या आपके पास एक और सुविधा है. आप क्या करो, इसको पॉज कर लो वीडियो को और फिर सॉल्व करके देखो. आ रहा है देन वेल एंड गुड, नहीं आ रहा है देन आई एम गोइंग टू solve this one. So here, see, now I'm not going to write in a proper manner, just like rough I'm going to do. So this is what A1, this is what A2, this is what A3, this is what A4. Correct? Chalo, let's do. A2 minus A1, karo solve. Minus 6 minus 10. So it will become minus 6 plus 10. You'll get what? 4. Correct? ये हो गया आपका A2 minus A1. Now A3 minus A2, what will you get? Minus 2 minus 6. That means minus 2 plus 6. What will you get? Again 4. Correct? This is what? A3 minus A2. Now, आप क्या करोगे? A4 minus A3. Solve करो. 2 minus 2. That will be 2 plus 2 and that will be 4. है ना easy? Now this question will be like easy peasy for you. तो चलो देख लो, ये सारे आपके सेम आ रहे हैं. So since, what will you write? Let's make it colorful. What will you write? A A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. So the given progression is, so the given मैंने लिख ही दिया, स्किप करना चाहिए था. सो द गिवन प्रोग्रेशन इज एन एपी. नेक्स्ट से नहीं लिखूंगी, आपको खुद को करना होगा. एपी. चलो, सो व्हाट विल बी डी हियर? 4, करेक्ट ना? जो सेम आया है वही आपका कॉमन डिफरेंस डी बन जाएगा. सो नाउ फ्रॉम हियर यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट a5. What will be a5? Now tell me what will be a5. a4 plus d. चलो सॉल्व कर लो फटाफट. a4 कितना है आपका? 2 है. 2 + 4, देखो कितना इजी है ये, 6. ऐसे ही a6 निकालो. a5 प्लस डी. a5 कितना है आपका? 6 + 4 कितना आ गया? 10. नेक्स्ट करो. a7 निकालो. a7 आपका क्या हो गया? a6 प्लस डी. नाउ सॉल्व. 10 + 4 will be what? 40. So which are our required three next terms? देखो ना, हो गया इजीली. तो देखो आपको करना पड़ेगा. करोगे आप कैसे? यू नीड टू हैव वन कॉपी और यू कैन से योर नोटबुक विद पेन. जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस. हाँ, ये मैं मान सकती हूँ कि वो स्टार्टिंग में थोड़े आपको टफ लगे, लेकिन देखो बिना करे नहीं होगा, है ना? खुद के मरने से ही स्वर्ग मिलता है. दूसरे के मरने से मिलता तो लोग दूसरों को मार के स्वर्ग ना पहुंच जाते. खुद ही मरोगे तभी स्वर्ग मिलेगा, खुद ही करोगे तभी होगा. चलो देखते हैं. अब ये देखो थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्टी लेवल इसमें हाई है. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ विल यू डील विद सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. So here this is what A1, this is what A2, A3, A4. सबसे पहले तो आपको यही लिख लेना है, करेक्ट? नाउ A2 माइनस A1 लिख लो भाई. क्या है? 3 + √2, करेक्ट, -3. देखो, this is of plus, this is of minus. You can cancel out this. What will you get? Square root of 2, under root 2. Now, what will you do? A3 minus A2. What will you get? 3 plus 2 √2 with minus sign 3 plus √2. Correct na? Chalo, how will you solve? 3 plus 2 √2. Let's open this with negative sign. So this will go here. Since there is no sign, you can consider it as plus sign, correct? So minus plus will be minus, so -3, and this minus will go with this plus also. So minus plus will become minus, and you will get √2. So देखो 3 is a 3, you can cancel out. Now 2 √2 minus √2. How will you solve this? You can take √2 as a common. What will you get? 2 minus 1. Correct. Here you can write it like 1 √2. So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So either you can write 1 √2 or you directly can write √2. This is what? This is your A3 minus A2. देखो यहाँ तो मैं समझा रही थी. That's why I'm writing like this. Now in the next one I will do directly. Correct. So now what will you write? A4 minus A3. What will you write? 3 plus 3 √2 minus 3 plus 2 √2. तो देखो, this 3 will cancel out with this one, and 3 √2 minus 2 √2, what will you get? √2. Correct. So from here you can see, चलो क्या लिखोगे? A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. Correct. So this is an AP. This is an AP. अब अगर AP है तो क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट. देखो पहले आप ट्राई कर लो. A5 क्या आ जाएगा आपका? A4 प्लस D. व्हाट इज योर A4? ये हो गया, थोड़ा गंदा लिख दिया मैंने. प्लस D. A4 कितना है? 3 + 3 √2 और D ऐड कर दो. D कितना आया आपका? √2. तो देखो ये 3 ऐसे ही रहा. 3 और यहाँ पे क्या है? मैंने बोला था आप 1 लिख सकते हो, करेक्ट? तो दिस इज 1 + 3 विल बी व्हाट? 4. तो 4 √2. करेक्ट ना? दिस इज व्हाट? A5. करेक्ट. नाउ A6 will be what? A5 plus D. What is A5 here? So A5 is 3 plus 4 √2. Now you need to add √2. Now you will be smart enough to do this one. What will you get? 3 plus 5 √2. And A7 will be what? Correct, like the same one. A6 plus D. So 3 plus 5 √2 plus root 2. Correct, no? What will you get? 3 plus 6 root 2, which are our required three terms. Correct? These ones. So this will be your answer. चलो next करो. Okay, now try to solve this. इसमें आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना आना चाहिए डेसिमल्स को, अदरवाइज दिस विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. सो ओके, लेट्स डू. चलो कैसे करेंगे भाई? ये क्या है? A1, ये क्या है? A2, A3 एंड A4. करेक्ट. तो A2 माइनस A1, 0.22 माइनस 0.2. देखो ये तो आपको बहुत अच्छे से कॉन्सेप्ट पता होगा. अगर यहाँ पे टू, सबसे पहले हम इसको लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज लाइक डेसिमल? जैसे इसमें टू प्लेसेस तक है तो इसमें वन प्लेस ही है आफ्टर डेसिमल, देन यू नीड टू मेक इट लाइक टू प्लेसेस ऑफ द डेसिमल. तो क्या करते हैं, इसके बाद में आपको जीरो एक बढ़ा लेना होगा. यू कैन राइट इट लाइक द सेम. करेक्ट. सो 0.2, I have not written it properly. So 0.2 will 0.2 will become 0.20. करेक्ट. अब तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना आपको आता है. चलो करो सब्ट्रैक्ट. What will you get? So here you will write 2, and here 2 minus 2, 0, decimal 0. This you will get. Correct. So this is what? This is A2 minus A1. Now what you need to do? A3 minus A2 you need to find out. So here it will become 0.222 minus 0.22. So here after decimal there are three terms. Here there are only two terms. What do you need to do? You need to add one more zero. Chalo, let's do. What will you get? यहां से गया क्या आ गया आपके पास? 2 माइनस 0 कितना आ गया? 2. करेक्ट. और ये कितना आ गया? 2 minus 2, 0, or 2 minus 2, 0.0. Chalo. If you are smart enough, from here you will get that this is what? 0.202, and here you can write 1 मोर जीरो. करेक्ट, नो? तो देखो ये क्या रहा है? 0.020, और यहाँ क्या रहा है? 0.002. दैट मीन्स बोथ आर नॉट equal. Correct. If you want, you can find out next term also, A4 minus A3. Otherwise there is no need to find out this one. From here directly what you can write, that this is not an AP. चलो एक करके दिखा रही हूँ मैं. एग्जाम्पल है तो कर लेती हूँ. 0.2222 minus 0.222. See, after decimal you should be very conscious. After decimal you need to read single terms. Correct. Single digits. You cannot read it like 0.222. No, it's wrong. Correct. No, you need to find out. You need to say single digit. Correct. चलो करते हैं भाई. कर लो, लाइक टर्म बना लो आप इसको, फिर कर दो. तो कितना आ जाएगा? 2, फिर 0.000. सो यहां से आपको क्या देखने को मिल रहा है? फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन राइट, सिंस A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2, and this is also not equals to A4 minus A3. So this is not an AP. Not an AP. Correct? देखो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है. फ्रॉम, इफ यू डू नॉट वांट टू डू ऑल दिस, देखो ऐसा भी हो सकता है लाइक A2 माइनस A1 और A3 माइनस A2 तो आपका सेम आ जाए, बट A4 माइनस A3 आपका सेम ना आए, स्टिल इट विल नॉट बी एन AP. फॉर AP all differences like A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3, all should equal, है ना? क्योंकि what is the definition of AP? As I told you earlier, if the same fixed number is going to add, correct, then you will get an AP, है ना? तो उसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि जो कॉमन डिफरेंस है हर बार आपका क्या सेम आएगा. देखो वर्ड से ही पकड़ना आप सीख जाओगे. कॉमन मीन्स व्हाट? सेम फॉर एवरीवन. करेक्ट, नो? So in this manner you can find out. Let's do next one. Chalo, try it by your own. This is what? A1. This is what? A2, A3, A4. Correct, no? Now, A2 minus A1 will be what? Minus 4 minus 0. You will get minus 4. A3 minus A2. What will you get? Minus 8 minus 4. You will get what? A minus 8. It is looking like decimal, correct? So what will you get? Minus 8 plus 4. So you can say it like minus 4. Now A4 minus A3 is what? Minus 12 minus 8. What will you get? Minus 12 plus 8, or you can say minus 4. So here, since A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. So this is an AP. Correct, no? All differences are same. So now what you need to do? Then here D is equals to what? Here D is equals to what? D is what? What will you get? Minus 4, correct? D is minus 4. Then you need to find out more three terms. So what will be A5? A5 will be A4 plus D, correct? What is your A4 here? Minus 12. Minus 12 minus 4 will become minus 16. Now what will be A6? A5 plus D. What will be your A5 now? Minus 16 minus 4. What will you get? Minus 20. Then A7. A6 plus D. This is stylish A7 right now. Chalo. So minus 20 minus 4, what will you get? Minus 24. So these are our required next three terms. देखो कितना इजी है, बस हाँ आप जब रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आपको आएगा. एक बार आप ये चैप्टर करोगे ना, बिलीव मी, ट्रस्ट मी, कोई भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा जो आप कर ना सको. करेक्ट, बट फॉर दिस यू नीड टू डू प्रैक्टिस. चलो दिस वन. ओके, सॉल्व दिस वन. देखो सबसे इजीएस्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस एक्सरसाइज. नाउ आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू डू सच काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. है ना? करेक्ट ना? चलो लेट्स डू. दिस इज व्हाट A1, A2, A3, A4. बाप रे, A5 also. Now A2 minus A1. What will you get? Minus 2 minus, then minus 1 by 2. What will you get from here? Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. You can cancel out both the terms. What will you get? 0. So A2 minus A1 is equals to what? 0. So देखो, as you can see, all terms are equal here. So if you are going to find out A3 minus A2, again you will find the same one. So 0 will come. Now A4 minus A3, what will you get? Again 0. Now A5 minus A4, what will you get? Again 0. Correct. So here, what can you write? Since A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3 is equals to A5 माइनस A4. आई थिंक मिस मैंने ये नेक्स्ट एक टर्म एक्स्ट्रा लिख दिया है. इफ यू विल सी इन योर बुक, माइट बी विल नॉट गेट दिस टर्म, देन यू कैन एंड अप बाई A4 minus A3. But if you'll get this one, in this manner you can solve. Correct? All are equal. So this is an AP. This is an AP. Correct? Chalo. After that, what you need to do? You need to find out more three terms. How will you find out? Now, A6 we need to find out. A6 will be what? A5 plus D. So here D is equals to what? 0, no? Why? Because all terms are same. So you can write here D is equals to what? 0. So minus 1 by 2 plus 0, you will get minus 1 by 2. Similarly, A7 will be what? A6 plus D. Again, minus 1 by 2 plus 0. What will you get? Minus 1 by 2. And A8 will be what? A7 plus D. So what will you get? Minus 1 by 2 plus 0. And again, you will get minus 1 by 2. In this manner, you can solve this. And these are our required next three terms of an A. सो इतने क्वेश्चंस हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किए. होप आपको अच्छे लगे होंगे. होप यू विल गेट enough from such kind of questions and from especially this video. तो अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.